As a volunteer board member, regardless of the type of nonprofit, it's necessary to take steps to reduce any potential loss or damage that could incur. So while insurance is not the sexiest topic to talk about, it is important to have a good grasp of. So whether you're just joining a board or you are a longtime board member, we hope that you'll learn something new today. I'm Cindy Michael, and today I'm talking with Carrie McDonald from RV Nucio and Associates, who's here to share her insight about insurance and explain what your group needs and why. Here we go. Some of you might be thinking that, why get insurance? What could I possibly need insurance for with my parent group? But there are a lot of scenarios that will present themselves. And Carrie, maybe you can help us look at some of those reasons a parent group might need insurance.
Absolutely. I feel that parent groups view themselves differently than what they really are. They are running a little small business. And when I say that, they are having meetings, they are fundraising, they are doing multiple types of activities that could possibly cause a claim or a lawsuit to happen. And they could be personally accountable for these if they don't have insurance. And they're often trying to do volunteer work and helping out a school, some sort of organization, and they don't realize that they need certain legal things in place, not just insurance, but taxes and other types of things. Insurance being one of the very important ones because it can protect them from their personal assets from being attached to a lawsuit or a claim.
What are some of the things that you've seen people make claims on?
With parent groups under the general liability policies, or what are also known as commercial liability policies, the most common claims that we see are slip and falls, people getting injured at an event. And they could be something as simple as slipping at a pancake breakfast and they slip on syrup and they break an arm. Or they get burned by the coffee because the coffee is too hot. There's a lot of different types of claims that can happen with these groups. Some of them arise from the events that they have and the spectators getting injured. Sometimes we have claims where there's property damage done by individuals that are attending these events. There's also lots of different types of claims that can get very intense and expensive that may arise under a general liability policy where people are injured quite severely and the lawsuits can drag on for 5 years or longer. And those members' kids are already in high school and they're still having to be involved with the lawsuits. So it's really important for these groups to take a look at what their risks are and to understand the different types of insurance, what they do, and select what ones that they need and can afford.
Excellent. Okay. We're going to dive deeper into the different types of insurance here shortly. Let's save that for a little bit later. I think that's a good overview on why your parent group might need insurance and why it's something that you would consider moving forward. Thank you so much, Carrie, for helping us with that.
Yes.
We hope that you never need to make an insurance claim, but in the event you do, we want to make sure that you've got the coverage you need. No surprises. For that reason, I recommend that you check out Carrie's website at protectyournonprofit.com to learn more. And also be sure to check out our other podcasts about the various types of insurance and the reasons that you might consider them. Thanks for listening.